Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word crusade. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The king called for a crusade to reclaim the Holy Land from the infidels. A crusade refers to a military expedition or campaign led by a religious leader, typically against perceived enemies or in defense of a religious cause or belief. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.